Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, December 18, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, December 18, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong December 18, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, December 18, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 500 million pesos for December 18, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, December 18, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.